Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for popping back in, and please, if you feel inclined to, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe, and please always make comments to fit into the algorithm. I greatly appreciate it. What I'm doing now is making a random men's stretch bracelet. I sold 3 necklaces, men's necklaces. So what I'm going to do now is just make this random stretch bracelet, and this will be a gift to the individual that bought, the customer that bought the 3 necklaces, to show appreciation, which I greatly do appreciate him buying the 3 necklaces. And, you know, I'm grateful. I mean, the orders came out of the blue. I had like 3 orders at one time, you know, within a week that came. And I'm like, okay, thank you. Thank you. I appreciate that. So we got beautiful agate beads. We got hemmitite beads. We got the jasper. We just got like 3 different type of beads, and they are gorgeous beads. So I wanted to finish up with these beads. They were like looking at me, and I'm like, okay. Beautiful. Some of like grayish. This is like a grayish and brown mixture, what I'm doing. Just a regular gemstone. Look at that beautiful agate beads. And honestly, I don't know where these beads come from. It's like I accumulated these beads over a period of time. And they were just looking at me. I had finished up another project, and I'm like, okay. So I just laid these beads in a pattern and just added them to a 8 millimeter string wire. I like the 0.8. I don't know if a 1 millimeter would fit in here. It might have been too big. So basically what I'm doing is just tying. And this is just going to be a gift to him. And it's a substantial, and it's, you know, pretty heavy. And I don't, you know what, I didn't add a big hole bead, so I don't even know if this string gonna fit in there. So I just cut it down, you know, kind of low, and, you know, be done with it. Because I don't use the needle the way some, you know, people do the needle. I don't do that. I just, you know, if I got a big hole bead, I'll make it work. But this turned out pretty good. Turned out, you know, pretty well. Using our natural gemstones. So, like I said, that's what I'm going to do. I'm using my natural gemstones, and I'm just infusing them in with my painted beads. I have exceptional painted beads. My beads aren't like anybody else. My beads are a little bit different the way I, you know, paint them. I paint my beads with a creativity and with a point of view. I just don't paint beads to my ancestral lineage, to the indigenous factor. That's how I paint my beads. That's what's in my spirit. That's what's in my soul. You know, just like a revitalization as to who you truly are. Your jewelry should have meaning. That's, you know, that's my part of my creativity. Jewelry should have a meaning. That hole there is kind of big, so I'm gonna see if I can get that in there. If not, then I just cut it down just a little bit more. If I keep working with it, I can get it in that big hole. So that's what I'm going to do, keep working with it. I don't want to break it. cut that little bit out. And I might put a little glue. But we'll see how this works. If this don't work the way I need it to work, I'll get one of those big black whole beads and put in here. But so far, that's what it looks like. It's a beautiful agate, jasper, hematite bracelet. Just like a bean, what they call it, a bead suit. I just took what I had. I love that bead there. I just took what I had and just made it work. But I kept putting up one video that's coming out around 10:45, and YouTube kept giving me a copyright strike because of the music that I was using. And I was using it through InShot. So I thought because I'm a member of, with InShot, but yet it's still, I'm having trouble with the music. So I found another app that's a free app. So I went and I'm like, okay, I'll just use this free music. So I put the video up with no trouble. But that's what I came up with. And all I needed was about 12 inches of 0.7 millimeter stretch cord, and this amount of beads, I didn't count the beads, and a pair of scissors to cut it and tie it, and that's it, and call it a day. No need to stress over making stretch bracelets or making any type of jewelry. Do you? Because your creativity, like I said before, is within you. If you have a desire to do jewelry, it's inside of you. But there you go. So thank you. Catch you in the next one.